So now, this is a scene rendered in VR, and you can see that we have materials that we can pick up. So this is a big rock, and you can see it's very high resolution. It looks amazing to hold and feel, and manipulate and throw it anywhere you want. This is some high resolution rock faces. You can see it's the texture, the detail that goes into all that in VR. Just gotta make sure I don't trip over my cables, so I can walk around in this environment within the confines of the room. I can move here, look at different materials, just look underneath it, look from the side. You can almost feel how large it is. It goes all the way up to here, and we'll look at this tree. All the grass is all animated, all the ferns and shrubbery, all the grass here with the tree, so you can almost see how large it is. You can put your arms around it. It's quite amazing in VR. Just going to quickly go to another couple of scenes. So I've given myself super movement. I can just fly, so I don't have to be confined by the size of my room when I want to move around. I can still move around normally. I just turn off the flight. I can walk around. I can look at the boxes, the crates over there. I can go underneath this basement, which is under construction. We can obviously animate all these equipment over here, which is fantastic. Just go over to look at here. So obviously, almost bumped into the fence. We can see the construction site getting built. It's an amazing tool for stakeholder buy-in, for showing people how the final product will look like and what it will look like during construction. Great sort of sales and marketing tool, even in terms of engineering and in terms of like risk assessment and looking at how the construction will affect the neighboring areas in terms of visually, aesthetically. It's a great tool. Here we have a gantry crane on the wharf. We can animate it. I put a button over here, control some basic animations, basic movement. So it's going to move there. It's going to try to drop the container, and obviously you can reverse it. All this can be programmed, so you can have actors moving in their environment, doing different things, which would be great for training. Here we've got some interactive materials. So, okay, went a bit too far there. I can put my hand into a fist and I can basically interact with all these materials. You can see over here, I've got some traffic cones. I can pick them up and place them anywhere I want. Very simple. I can throw them. We can design equipment so that basically this is a chainsaw. You can design it so that it becomes any piece of equipment that someone can use, and you can program that to do different things, to interact with other materials, that maybe cut out a tree or cut a bit of wood or something. Over here it's can demonstrate some of the lighting effects that we can put in very quickly. So this is underneath wharf. And you can see piles over there. It's got the size. You can almost feel how far it is. You get a sense of scale. You get a sense of the lighting conditions. It's all dynamic. You can set different lighting sort of scenarios. It gives you ability to do assessments of work or remediation underneath structure. Here we've got a very simple crane on a barge. So basically over here now, it's going to try to pick up that steel tube pile. So it's going to try to pick it up, swing around, slew around, and then just chuck it in the water. So again, it's a very basic animation. It took me 10 minutes to create this whole scenario. Lifting how even the basic models can be done very, very quickly, just with prototype, a couple of things. And it looks good, and then we can sort of flesh it out in very high definition, like the forest or the construction scene. So this is the video in 5 minutes, hopefully.